Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your selfies and photos into mind-blowing art or portrait using Gemini AI. So if you want to edit your photos like this, for example, the Polaroid photo, this one is currently trending on TikTok, or maybe you want to create this photos right here, or maybe this trending figurine portrait, or this one is a wedding photo. So all of this I added it using Gemini, and I got all the prompts from TikTok. So I suggest you to find the Gemini prompt on TikTok because there are so many ideas there. Here, let me show you how you can find the prompt. You can just open your TikTok account and search for Gemini prompt. As you guys can see in here, there are so many TikTok users give you some prompt example and idea that you can use for your portrait. So for example, I'm going to use this. I'm going to edit my photo to look like this, and here is the prompt. So usually the TikTok account will give you the prompt, so you can copy on the caption. You cannot copy that, so you need to find it on the comment section. So the author or the creator usually show you in the comment section. You can just long press on it and copy the prompt. Let's go back into Gemini and paste the prompt that you got. Don't forget to modify it, delete the beginning, because this is the usernames, the TikTok usernames of the creator. Okay, now you can just click on this setting or this tool option, and don't forget to use the create images option, the Nano Banana model. Click on the plus button, gallery, and then you can just upload your photo. So for example, I'm going to use this photos right here. Tap on done, and once the photo is uploaded, click on submit. Then Gemini will edit your photos based on the prompt. So this is the prompt: a cinematic, moody portrait of a young woman standing outdoors holding a bouquet of vibrant red-orange flowers. Here, you need to be detailed, like what she wears, the mood, and the background, and everything, and also the lighting. Okay, so the image is done. You can just scroll down, and this is the result. If you want to download it, click on a photo, and there will be this arrow down icon to download it to your device. If you want to edit more, you can go back into TikTok and find other prompt ideas, and go back into Gemini to create your own photo in seconds. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.